Imagine this: you send a message, and instead of waiting anxiously for a reply, she responds instantly, eager to keep the conversation going. No more overthinking, no more chasing, just effortless attraction. But most men completely mess this up. Today, I will break down Stoic texting secrets that make women naturally drawn to you. These are battle-tested principles rooted in self-mastery, emotional control, and high-value communication. If you use them, women will find you irresistible. Let's dive in. Why texting matters. Texting is a modern battlefield of attraction. Get it right, and you build tension, mystery, and desire. Get it wrong, and you'll push her away without realizing it. The Stoic approach to texting isn't about playing games. It's about communicating with purpose, power, and presence. Marcus Aurelius once said, "A man should be upright, not kept upright." This means you should never rely on external validation, especially from a woman. When you text, you must come from a place of confidence, not neediness. Here's how to do it. Lesson 1. The power of scarcity. What happens when something is rare? People desire it more. This is human nature. If you're constantly texting her first, replying in seconds, or double texting, she'll start to see you as too available. Stoic rule. Control your impulses. Do not be at her beck and call. Now, practical move. Match her energy. If she takes an hour to reply, take your time too, but don't force delays. Stay natural and composed. Your goal is to create a rhythm where she is excited to hear from you. Lesson 2. Emotional control is everything. Most men lose women over text because they get too reactive. She doesn't reply for a few hours, and suddenly you're spiraling. Did I say something wrong? Is she losing interest? Marcus Aurelius taught, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength." Stoic rule. Detach from outcomes. Your mood should not depend on her replies. This is a practical move. Give attention. If she stops responding for a while, stay cool. Keep living your life. When you text from a place of abundance, you naturally exude confidence. Lesson 3. Texting with intention. Weak men text to get attention. Strong men text with intention. There's a big difference. Before sending a message, ask yourself, what is my purpose here? If it's just to fill the silence, stop. Women sense low-value behavior. Stoic rule. Quality over quantity. Text when you have something meaningful to say. Listen to this practical move. Keep your texts short, playful, and direct. Avoid walls of text. Instead, spark curiosity. Example, "Hey, how was your day?" You won't believe what just happened. Now she's intrigued. Lesson 4. Leading the conversation. Stoic men lead, they don't chase. Women are drawn to men who take charge. Stoic rule. Set the tone. If you're always following her lead, she won't see you as dominant. Give attention to this practical move. Instead of endless texting, move the conversation forward. Example, "So what do you want to do this weekend?" "Let's grab drinks Friday. I know a great spot." This shows confidence and direction, which women find extremely attractive. Lesson 5. Mastering the art of mystery. Mystery creates desire. If you text her your whole life story, she has nothing left to uncover. Stoic rule. Less is more. Keep her guessing. Listen to this practical move. Instead of explaining everything, drop hints and let her ask. Example, "I had a crazy day at work. My boss was insane. Today was wild. I'll tell you about it later." Now she's curious. Now give attention to these modern applications that turn knowledge into power. These Stoic texting principles will instantly make you more attractive, confident, and in control. Here's how to apply them right now. Stop over-texting. Let her wonder what you're up to. Respond with confidence. Never act needy or impatient. Keep messages short and playful. Be intriguing, not predictable. Lead, don't chase. Set the tone of the conversation. Stay emotionally unshaken. Whether she replies or not, your self-worth remains intact. The moment you stop seeking validation and start texting like a Stoic, women will feel an undeniable attraction toward you. Attraction is not about words, it's about presence. The way you text reflects the way you live. If you master emotional control, mystery, and confidence, you will never have to chase again, because women will chase you. Want more Stoic dating wisdom? Subscribe now. What's the biggest texting mistake you've made? Drop it in the comments.